Everyone ask others to join. We will start in 5 minutes. Team, let's wait for few more time. We will start at 4:40.
Okay, sir.
By the time, ask others to join the call. Yeah, hello everyone, good evening. So, I think most of the people have joined, so we can start. So,
Yes, sir.
today now, Rupam, can you share your screen? Am I audible to you, Rupam?
Sir, actually, Rupam is traveling, so she is in train. She can't.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. And even Apeksha, are you able to share your screen? Apeksha, am I audible to you? Okay, didn't receive any response. Abhinandan?
Sorry, sir, I will not be able to because my daily data limit is about 70 to 80 MB of data is being left on levels, and the internet is
Okay, no,
buffering.
so no problem. Anyone else can share the screen, you need to just present it. Is it possible? Abhinandan?
No, sir, it's not possible because the internet is also buffering a lot.
Okay, okay. Just fix the this internet issue because you need to actually perform this entire activity remotely and over the internet only. So internet should be in good position at your end. Okay, so just keep this in mind.
Okay, sir, I will fix it.
Fine. Okay, fine. Artika, uh, because I can see only few two, three people are only sharing the screen and presenting it. I want from every end to take participate in this. Artika, can you hear me? Artika, Peksha, Rupam is traveling. Vishal Rai, am I audible to you? At least say yes, no, something. Mm. Guys, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anyone?
sir. Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. Vishal, Vishal, but you are not audible. Can you unmute yourself? You are in mute, Vishal.
Hello,
Okay.
hello.
Yes, Vishal. Now you are audible. Yes. So I'm asking,
Yeah,
are
I
you able
was,
to? Yes, yes, tell.
sir, I was speaking, but I think my mic was mute or some network issue.
Okay, okay. So can you able to share your screen?
Sir, which topic we have to cover so I can decide so that it not get inconvenient for all others.
You
So
you
then
you were
I can
you were
decide.
not in the
No, sir,
morning call.
I was there in morning call, but I need to know that from where I have to start. I think routing was done till Express.js
Yeah,
response
so routing
Yes,
was done.
Start
yes.
from the
Routing.
middleware.
Then after
Okay,
that only we will need to start, right?
okay.
Middleware.
Okay, sir, I'm
Share
trying to
share your
start.
yes, yes, share your screen.
My voice is audible to all clearly.
Yes, 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 you are
Yes, yes,
audible.
yes.
Just a minute. Is it visible? My screen.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So we have to start from Express.js custom middleware. So we know that how middleware works before through Express.js. So we are now using it as a custom middleware to go through using to Express.js. So custom middleware, it allows us to add a specific functionality to all the Express.js applications, such as we want to logging or authenticate or modify the request. So unlike the built-in or third-party middleware, we are using custom middleware that would give full control. Means we are not using any other pre-built middleware. So what is now question arises, what is custom middleware? So custom middleware is a user-defined function that each request passes through before reaching your root. So every request will be passed through this middleware before reaching the root. So with custom middleware, we can totally take a full control over our code or requested and then decide what to do next. So now the question arises, what we are doing, what type of request would be there, and what would be the request control we are using. So first of all, their custom middleware has three parameters, such as request, the request object, then response object, and a function to pass control to the next middleware in the stack. So these three are the typically three parameters. So you will be running a program in the VS Code. So everybody, please open your VS Code and please try to run the program. I am also trying. So those who are following any issue can follow me on. So, okay, we can see in the example right now here, we are creating a function named custom middleware, which has three parameters, no request, respond, and next. And here is our custom logic. What would we want to do with the function? So we are simply just printing console.log custom middleware is running, and then next means move to the next middleware. So if we want to add custom middleware to the app, we can easily add custom middleware using in the Express app using app.use. So we would be directly attaching it to the roots. So first of all, we create a custom middleware for what purpose? For the incoming request, for logging request. So we are logging the request. So this we have to here written now every request will log the method URL in a timestamp to the console. Okay. Every request will log the method URL. This can be super useful. Applying middleware on the. So now not every route need the same. If you want only for a specific route, you can pass directly to the route function. So here we are const express const function log request. So next middleware we are using next. Okay, can anybody resolve this issue?
Uh, it's running.
It's running once.
Yes, Vishal, show me your VS Code.
Okay. Is it on the screen. So this is my app.js or index.js. I have created the new here. I have written the code.
It's loading for me. Wait a minute, bro.
Oh, first, can you see the screen?
Yes, yes. So
Anything you find that I have
okay, you are not
done
getting
mistake?
for about.
Yes.
Okay, let me run this now. One.
Sure.
Okay, Vishal, I am sharing my screen. Okay.
Yeah. So have you done any changes or just like run the program and it got run on your VS Code?
No changes, just copy pasted and it's run.
Then you can tell me what where I'm going wrong.
Hmm. I think I need to see your screen. Just open your VS Code.
Yes, open your VS Code so that you can see.
Is it visible? I feel so. Yeah.
Have you installed Express?
Yes.
Okay.
Run it again, Vishal.
No changes.
Run it using node Just go and send the request from your web browser.
Yes.
Just open your browser and go to about route. Open your browser and go to localhost 3000 slash
Acha, my
about.
browser is not visible to all you guys.
No, yes,
No,
it's not
your VS
visible.
Code is.
Okay. Okay. I have only shared the VS Code window. Sorry.
Share your current screen.
Okay. Okay. I'm sharing my entire screen. I've done the same, but
And
No changes.
just go in the VS Code and see what it's telling, what
Uh,
error it is showing in the terminal.
No error. Everything is
Vi-
fine in the
In the
Vishal,
VS Code terminal.
Vishal,
yes on the VS Code.
run it for
Yes.
localhost 3000 only first. Is it working or not?
Um, okay. I can do that.
Yes,
Now
yeah.
add slash about.
No.
No, this is not taking.
Go in the VS Code.
Uh, your
My VS
middleware
Code
is
is not.
not working.
Yes, I think so because my 3000 page. My VS Code is. You can see all my VS Code.
No,
No,
not.
no. We are seeing the team meeting.
I think there is some problem in sharing screen.
Once we are running the program of adding custom middleware, na?
Yes, Ishita.
Yes, so I have only added a slash after 3000 and it's running.
Okay, that is running
Only a
for
slash.
home page.
Yes.
Yes, and now we want to also execute slash about section, about
Okay.
page. Yes, so that's where it is stuck in. Uh, log request. The middleware is not working for Vishal. That's right.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay, okay. So only for Vishal this is not working. So what we can do?
Okay, so no clue. Bunch Ritesh, what's going
Yes,
on?
I think everything is fine. Can you just
Yes.
re-copy paste the code here?
Okay, no problem. We should move forward. I think I could be taking care of it after the meeting. Because my screen is visible. 2 3 school.
Your VS code is visible.
Okay, now.
Uh, yes, now it's visible.
Okay, so everybody has done. except
Yes.
so,
Yes, Vishal.
uh, so this was middleware we are using for only logging request. So here we are logging request. So we are using a middleware that can be used to control the route. So the next part comes here, simple authentication middleware. It is also used the use case of the middleware. So imagine you are building a basic authentication system where requests need to include a secret token. So we are writing a middleware for that. So we are building a basic authentication system where we need to include a secret token, just like as a password. So we need to so again, let's try. Okay, so that's creating an error. So the middleware check if the request includes a valid token. If not, it sends back a 401 unauthorized response. So you can build much more complex authentication. So look, here we are creating a function authenticate having a request respond in next parameter. Here we are creating a token which has a header authorization. So if token would be equal to my secret token, then we are going token is valid and continuing to the next middle part. Else we are getting a status 401 dot send unauthorized. So here we are applying a protected route. Means if we are here we can see that not every route needs the same treatment. Means if you want to create an exception for a specific route that should follow this middleware, so we are using uh, like a protected route where we can move forward without going through that checking or we can do that authentication. So anybody has run the program?
Yes, I have, but it's showing error.
Okay. What error? Hello. Hello.
Vishal.
Yes, Vishal, you're audible.
So what error we are getting?
Wait. It's saying that app is not defined at object.nrs. Something
Okay.
app.get dashboard authenticator or something.
No, first we have to import Express, and then in second line, what we do, const app equal to Express function. That's where app comes, and we also have to add listen at whatever port number we want to. So this code is incomplete. We first have to complete that, then it will run.
Okay. So I think you should complete once because
Okay, once.
I think you have fixed it. So once can you please share the screen?
Okay,
I'm
okay. I am sharing it. Just a minute.
Okay, the what part you have edited beside W3 school code?
Okay.
You can
Just
please
just
highlight
these.
so that everybody can get
y-
a.
y- Yes, yes. Just add first two lines const express equal to require express, and then create it instance name app, which we are using app.use. So add first these two lines here. Then for starting the server at the end of your code, add these lines like port number app.listen at this
Okay.
port.
Okay.
Once, can you please repeat?
Yes, yes. First we have as the error says that it isn't recognizing app. So first we have to make this a component. So how we will do that? First we are importing the express library. Const express equal to require express. Now we are making an
Wait.
instance.
Once you can put this code in the chat.
Okay, okay. 1 minute.
Yeah.
At dashboard. Also, we need Postman to run this because it's requiring that authentication part in header section. So we can provide headers only using Postman or hot hop. Hot watch. Wait, let me run it first. I haven't also run it. Just corrected the code. Wait. Let me .js. Okay, so my server is running on port 3000. Okay, so I will it come here. It's showing home page. Now, what we have to do, I have to check it at slash dashboard. Okay, so wait, I am checking it at slash dashboard. It is saying unauthorized because okay. So if token is my secret, अगर हम post if we put the header section in Postman, then it will show me this is valid process. Otherwise, it is showing unauthorized. So what we will do, we go to our Postman section. Okay. Now here, what we are doing, it's a get request to which URL http localhost colon 3000 slash dashboard. Okay. Now come to header section because as you can see, it is the function authenticate is taking a request dot header and in which the key is authorization and its value is my secret token. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to Postman. I give the URL. Then in my header section, I add authentication and its value my secret token, which is checking in if condition. If token is my secret. So now I send this. Okay, so in backend, it's showing 200 stated mean it is send it to our server side. Now if I check to execute this function, which is app.get authenticate, welcome to dashboard. So we can see here it is coming, welcome to the dashboard. Means we have sent it to browser. Now let me hide this extra part. Okay, so control C. I am running it once again. My server is running. I'm going to Postman, send it the data. And now first I check code 3000. It is giving the code. Now dashboard. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Christ, token is my secret. Actually, it's not working properly because what we are seeing in Postman, welcome to the dashboard, should be here instead of unauthorized because we have sended it accurately. But I think we are not getting on browser because there is uh dot get dashboard authenticate. Okay, wait. Let me remove the additional part. Is okay. So this is the code. Now let me go to GPT. My chat GPT isn't working. I am not getting the welcome dashboard. That might be probably. Check the request headers. Dashboard is protected by middleware. A header key authorization, and we have put that. If they load, but dashboard does not, then you should check the error in console. My secret, it is showing unauthorized. It's not doing anything. Let me send it again. It's my app dot dashboard. Once again, we'll see.
Once you can try by closing all the terminals and then restarting the terminal.
Uh, sorry, Vishal. I don't get it. What?
Close the current running terminals and start a new terminal on the VS Code
Okay,
and then execute the code. You can
okay. Yeah, that's also a good idea. Wait. Yeah. Uh, we have saved everything. Running it and app.jsx. Okay. Now I am going to localhost 3000 dashboard. It's a get request now. Uh, header. Yes, it's a get request. Everything is correct. Authentication, my secret token. Okay, welcome to the dashboard. Here it is working, but when I am going to localhost, localhost column 3000, what is my server not running or what? Server running on port 3000, but it's not working. Localhost column 3000. Enter. Cannot get. Oh, I have removed that part. Sure. Unauthorized. No, it's not showing the, this. Welcome to the dashboard.
I
I
have
don't know
made
how.
some changes in my code and
Oh,
I'm getting the output now.
Okay, Ritesh, then you please share your screen.
Here we go. I have just copy pasted it on the ChatGPT and generated another code which use authentication and let me paste in the chat box. Now just run your index.js file and go to the browser and just here you have to go to first of all at localhost 3000 dashboard and then you have to pass the token. The method to pass the token is like this. First of all we write question mark and then token then equals and your secret key. Just like here it was my secret token. So I have written this and pressed enter and it is saying welcome to the dashboard. You can
Okay,
use
so
your URL to pass the token just like this.
okay, we are doing it using query parameter.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, so that was header code. Okay, the alternate way to do is this query parameter.
Yes. I have shared code in the chat box. You can try. It is running.
Yes, yes.
Just a
It's
minute.
running.
Now, Vishal, you can proceed.
Just wait for others confirmation also.
Okay. And then Abhinandan Gupta.
Yes, now it's running.
Okay. Everyone, it's running or not? I think no one is performing the code execution.
No, I think everybody is performing, but they are not responding. But they are either performed or not. I think everybody is
Yes,
performing.
once now it's running.
Hello,
Yes, Vishal.
but look, one more has performed. So you are saying that no one is performing.
Okay.
Okay, I think Ishita, Ritesh, me, and you have done, and Vaishnavi also.
So, so we should move forward or
Yes, we should.
so again, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So yeah. Now it will be visible for our. Was it?
Yes, visible.
Yes.
Visible.
Okay. So now we have used a middleware for a simple authentication method. So where we can see that if the token is equal to the authorization we have given, so it would pass, or otherwise it would throw the else condition. So now we are chaining multiple middleware functions. So what we have, if we have several tasks to handle, and we can chain the middleware function so that they can run one after other. So means what we have to done, we have created three functions. Sorry, two function. Function first, which will simply present first middleware, and then using the next method we are moving to the next middleware, and using function second we are printing second middleware, and then using next what we are moving to the next middleware, and the next middleware is only that we are getting what multiple middleware executed. So you can say that these two part would be in the terminal only, but the final we are getting on the browser, we would be getting multiple middleware executed if running successfully. So these both function will run in sequence before reaching this final handler, route handler. So let's see. So look, I have already run the code. Meanwhile, everybody is performing the PSN. So look, I have run the program. Simply look, don't copy paste directly from the W3 school because it's creating some error because, oh, sorry. So you should simply add const express require express const app express, and then app listening on the port. So I have listened in on 3000 port. Now by node index.js I have run the server running on the port. Look, you can see that here the output first middleware, second middleware. So these two are the output of the first two functions which we have performed through routing. Function first will give first middleware, and then it would be moved to second middleware, and then the final one we are getting before
Vishal,
this would be executed. Yes,
are you sharing your VS Code screen?
yes.
We are only able to see W3's tool web page of your screen.
Okay. Yeah, just a minute. What is this problem? I'm not getting. कौन देखने जरा किसका?
Are you sharing entire screen, Vishal, or
This
just
is
a
what I was
window?
saying previously.
Yeah, I'm trying to share the entire screen every time, but just a minute. Hello. Okay, so you can see here I have run the localhost 3000 slash multi. So you can see my screen or not? My on. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
Vishal.
now
Yes,
it's
yes, you
visible.
are audible, Vishal.
You are
Okay,
audible.
okay. Okay, so here I am executing local host 3000 multi, so multiple middleware executed. So this is the final middleware which have run after performing two middleware operations, that is on the terminal. So everybody has performed or not, or anybody has facing something, some issue.
Yes, Vishal, executed.
Executed successfully.
Okay, okay. So now we are moving to the next middleware, validating data with the middleware. So now say we are accepting a form data and need to ensure certain field are present. So middleware can handle that easily. So now we are what we are doing, we are creating a function where we are accepting a form data. So here we are accepting data, name, email, and then if name and email uh, uh, if not present, then we would be what returning that 400 error or something bad request, and then we would be a next. So again, if data is valid, then we are moving to the next middleware. So next middleware is what, to apply to the form, next button, then it would be sending form submitted successfully. So let's see what does this middleware is performing. So I would be just simply pasting the function only and then running the server. Okay, let's see. Are you
I
guys able
think
to see the VS Code and
Yes, yes, now
W3?
we are.
Okay. Yes, Ritesh, you think?
we should use hopscotch here.
I think we have to enter the JSON type data, so we cannot use in the query parameter.
Yes, because it's a post request and it will use
Yes,
hopscotch to
and
validate form
sorry
data.
to say you all that my hopscotch is not working from since a long time, so anybody else has to perform this code.
Okay, Vishal.
Yes, just a minute. What this error is showing? इंटरनेट बंद हो गया दो लोग गैलेक्सी की कौन है ये दूसरा गैलेक्सी का So once are you sharing your screen or able to do the code?
Vishal, actually, my network is little bit low. I am unable to share screen or see anything. I think
Just a minute.
Ritesh, yes.
Yes, yes. Same I am going to ask the Ritesh. Ritesh?
Okay, okay. Let me
Okay.
execute it first and I will share.
Yeah, take your time. Okay. If not, it sends a back 400 bad request. That what the error I'm something this. Acha. Okay. This.
Yes, let me share my screen. This code, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So here you will have to use these two lines, app.use express.json and app.use express.url encoded extended rule, so that you can receive request from the hopscotch for this. So here is the code which I have copied from the W3 school website. And after that, you just open the hopscotch and uh, here it's post request. So I have selected post request and we are going to the submit URL uh, route. So I have put it here and in the body, I have selected application JSON data and pasted a JSON data here and send it. And it is showing form submitted successfully.
Okay, well done, Ritesh.
Yes. So you will have to use these two lines, line number 3 and line number 4. Or let me just copy paste it in the chat
Okay,
box.
so means line number 3 and 4 you have added on your own beside W3 code.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so let me just check with these lines.
It is running or not, Vishal?
Ritesh, what is going on? Where we are?
So, mm, so Vishal was having some issue in the code, so I just fixed it and I was just waiting so that everyone can complete it. Everyone is executing their code.
Okay,
Yes, using the hopscotch.
okay.
Yes.
Please don't take much time. We have to cover other thing also, so please be
Yes.
fast.
Yes. Yes.
So okay guys, so we can move forward.
Okay. Have you
The
executed it, Vishal?
I have executed it, but my hopscotch is still not responding. So I'm getting a same
One
error. But
once.
Vanch is having some network issue.
Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Okay, Vishal, I think we should continue.
Okay, so I'm just
Vishal, after this call, you can connect one-to-one with Ritesh. He will guide you. Okay.
yes, sir.
Your issue is still there, right?
And hopscotch. Yes, sir. I'm
Yes,
facing some
yes.
issue in hopscotch since long time. I'm not able to resolve it till now. What in extension or what? So I
Mm-hmm.
cannot run the hopscotch or JSON post codes.
Okay, you fine. What you can do, connect with Ritesh one-to-one, then
Yes.
work on it. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, so
let's move ahead.
I can continue, sir.
Yes, yes, please continue. No, no, do one thing. I want someone else to continue now.
Okay.
Uh, Ritesh, can you take this call? Ahead.
Yes, sir. But
Yeah.
sir, my cursor is creating some problem in the mid. So maybe,
Okay,
yes, sir.
fine. Then anyone else who want to take this call by your own, or else I need to tell the name. Vaishnavi Singh, can you present it?
Yes, sir.
Can you present this call from
Hello?
here? Yeah, I'm audible. Am I audible?
Sir, I am not audible. Hello?
I'm not. Am I not audible to all?
Audible, sir, audible.
Sir,
I
audible.
I think Vaishnavi Singh, you have some network issue. Vaishnavi Astha Gupta, can you take this call from here?
Sir, okay, sir, I will try.
Any issue?
Yes, sir.
What network issue or what?
Yes, sir, network.
Okay, Ishita, please go ahead if your network is working fine. Ishita,
Yes, sir.
your what is the status of your network? I need to ask the status of network for everyone first.
Uh, sir, it's good, but I am unable to run the code. I can,
Why?
but I'm facing some issue in code where we have to execute that get method. Sorry, post method.
Okay. Vansh, can you able
Sir,
to share your screen?
sir, Vansh is also having some network issue. He's
Network
replying
is
only to the chat.
okay, okay.
So Vaishnavi, I think is I think.
Vash Vaishnavi Astha Gupta is can you take the call?
Sir, Vaishnavi Singh. Yes.
Vaishnavi Singh.
Yes, sir.
She was telling that she is having some network issue. Is it okay now?
But in chat, she is replying that can.
What she is saying in chat.
She is fixing the network issue.
Okay, no problem. I
Sir,
don't
I
want to
think
waste the
Ritesh
time
can
actually.
continue because he is having a good
Uh,
network and he can also
fine, fine.
execute the code.
Ritesh, please go ahead.
Okay, sir. So we have completed validating for database middleware. So now moving to the next section, handling errors in custom middleware. You can also create middleware specifically to handle errors. Error handling middleware has a highly different signature. It uses four assigned arguments: error, request, response, and next. In the previous middleware, we was using just request, response, next. But in the error handling middleware, we are also including error as our argument. So for this, we have created a function error handler, which contains four arguments: error, request, response, and next. So for this, we are having whenever it will execute, it will show a error message in our console body. This that means in our terminal, whatever we are error getting, and it will also send the status of the error to our web page, and it shows the output something went wrong. And let me execute this code. Just copy it and just error handler. So, just whenever we will get error, that means it's, I think it's incomplete code. I need to create complete code for it. Anytime an error occurs in your app, Express will pass it to the error handling middleware and it will send a file. Okay, so for this, let me create the whole code for this. So I have created the code from using ChatGPT. Whenever it will send the request at the port 3000, it will show, it will execute error status, and I think it will execute the error handle. Let me see. Execute it from the browser. Go to the basic root. Something went wrong, and it has executed something went wrong. Yes, the same output which we were expecting to get. So this is the code, and you will get that output. So let me copy paste it in the chat box so that everyone can access this. Just execute it and let me know when it's done so that we can continue. Are you able to run this code?
Wait a minute.
Okay. Okay, Vanish. Vishal.
Yes, 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 fine. Not yet.
Okay. Next we have done. Apeksha. Apeksha, are you able to execute it or facing any issue?
Yes, it's
Okay.
running.
Okay. Kartika. I think we should now move to the next section. So now wrapping up, custom middleware in Express.js is incredibly versatile. You can add logging, authentication, data validation, and much more all in modular way. By breaking down your app's logic into middleware function, you keep your code clean, reusable, and easy to maintain. Here is a quick recap. Middleware functions sit between the request and response, allowing you to intercept, modify, or block requests. You can apply middleware globally or to specific route. Use middleware for logging, authentication, validation, and error handling. Always remember to call next unless you want to terminate the request. Okay. As we already have covered, and it's just a summary of that, that we use next to terminate the request. We have already seen there. Now moving to the next, we are in templating. Express.js templating with EJS. Learn how to integrate EJS embedded JavaScript with Express.js to create dynamic server-side render HTML page. This tutorial guide you through setting up EJS, creating template, and passing data from Express to EJS for efficient content rendering. What is EJS? EJS means embedded JavaScript. Is a templating language for JavaScript that allow you to embed JavaScript directly in HTML file, making it easier to generate dynamic content. When used with Express.js, EJS can render HTML on the server, giving you the flexibility to customize content based on data passed from the backend. Okay, so install Express and EJS to get started. Ensure Node.js is installed. Then create a new Express project and add the necessary dependencies. So that means they are just creating another folder and initializing it with node module and installing Express in that. So if we want to do that, we can also create another folder for that. Let me open my VS Code. So just follow the instruction. Just I think I'm inside my Express app. Let me inside my directory, which is Chaya code. And here, I think I'm going to create another folder. So let me open it in the VS Code. And here I'm going to create a directory for my Express.js. So let me give a name here. Express.js. Just open it in integrated terminal so that we don't have to write cd space express.js to go inside the directory, we can just to click simply single click here to select Express.js and right click here and go on open in integrated terminal. It will open it in a integrated terminal so that here we can see it is inside the Express.js directory. And now we have to initialize it with node modules. So just copy paste both, just pasted it here. So it took the default value as I told earlier that if we write in npm init, we will have to give it values. But if we write minus y here, hyphen y, it takes default value, our author name, our keywords, everything it takes defaultly. And now it also have installed npm express EJS in this. So now we have to create just a file named index.js. So we can write touch index.js, or we can also create manually by clicking it here and creating index.js. But you can use also this command to create index.js file. And now we are going to write our code here, whatever it will say. So configuring EJS as the view engine in Express. So first of all, we have to require Express as we have already installed. So we will require this package. So we are requiring it, and we will use Express as app. So just copy and paste it in our VS Code. Now moving to the next. Create an EJS template file. As I have told earlier that for any HTML file or any code related file, we will use views folder in which we will store our EJS files. Just like in our EJS file, any code related to HTML or JavaScript will be written there. So we will create a view folder, and for that it have given a code for our index file, HTML file. So just go to the VS Code and inside the Express.js, just create a file name, create a folder named views, and inside that we will create a HTML file which will contain HTML file, but its extension will be EJS. So we can give any name here, just like index.ejs. I'm giving it here so that we can use later. We just copy this code and paste it. And now it is just accessing. Okay. It is just viewing. Okay. It is nothing but just accessing that file. And let us understand the format of this EJS file. Here it is written that this symbol is used output HTML with the character escaped. That means it will output the title whichever we have. Sorry. um, yes. Sorry, my screen is creating issue. So now this is the title which I think we will get it from. Why it is happening? Yes, I think this is the title which we will get from our index.js file, and this is this message we will also get from our index.js file, which will send these two, and we will just decode it using this tag, and we can use these using this tag in our HTML file. So this will evaluate our, this character is used to evaluate the value of the parsed characters, and output escaped HTML. This is the this is just format of writing EJS. In this, anything which is written, it will be unescaped HTML. And in this, it will evaluate the value of a title and put it here. Just inside H1, it will only show the title, which we are passing from our index.js file or server.js file. So, and we use this tag to for logical statement, just like we are using for loop or conditional statements. Like if when we have to evaluate something, just like if we have to evaluate this whether it is true or false, then we wants to execute this. So this tag is used to for logical evaluation. And now moving to the next, pass data from Express to EGS. We can use this code. Use response.render in Express to send data to your EGS template. Just I was talking about the title and message we will get from our index.js file. So we will use response.render method. Just here, uh, till we was using response.send. Now we want to render our EJS file. So we will write here response.render so that it will go to our app file. And I have given here name index. So I will replace it by index, and these data will be sent to our EJS file and will be executed. Let me execute it. Just copy paste it here. Let me change its name. I think I should write index. Okay. We have not created code. So I think now I should. So just we used a port of 3000. Now I think I should run this. Let me execute this. Node on. We are inside our Express EJS. Okay. Node on index.js. Now it's running, and okay, again my cursor is stuck. This is, just let me go to the localhost 3000. Yes, this is the content which we have saved in our index.ejs file, which is inside the views folder. Just like inside the views folder, we have created index.ejs. And this is the message which we are getting on our web page just by rendering our EJS file using this command, this method response.render, and writing here our file name. Just like it was index.ejs, so I have write index so that it can go inside the views folder and render our index file. And it is sending title and message. It is using title. Let me show you. Yes, it is using the same title which we are sending here. So it will use title as welcome here, and the message which we are using sending here dynamic content with AJS Express, it is showing here. At the place of message, it will give a h1 tag to our this message. We can see on our web page, it is giving similar layout. Just like h1 heading, and after that we are using paragraph tag. That's why it is giving the another line of paragraph. So I think everyone is able to understand this and you execute it at your own end so that you can have the clear knowledge of how we are using EJS to render the file. So take your time and execute it so that we can move forward. If you want, I can just copy paste it in the chat box, the code which I have copied from W3 school. If you are facing any issue, just let me know. Are you guys executing that? Okay,
Yes,
Vaishnavi.
it is. Yes, it is.
Okay. Vishal. If anyone is facing any issue, just let me know. We are here to fix that issue. Okay. Vansh, are you facing any issue? So can you share your screen? What's the problem you are getting? Okay, now it's done. Okay, okay, Vansh. Vishal, Apeksha, Abhinandan.
What happened?
Artika. Your code is happening, running or not? Abhinandan. Nothing happened to us. I am just asking what happened to your code. It is executing or not?
Executed.
Can you share your screen?
My internet is not working. It's buffering a lot.
Oh, but your voice is clear.
It is not.
You are just trying to show that you are facing internet issue. And Abhinandan, you was using postpaid SIM.
Converted to prepaid.
When? When?
I'll tell later on.
Hey, anyone is facing any issue? Just let me know. Or shall we move to the next part? So we should continue to the next section. Okay, let's move to the next. just where we were. Now we have passed data from Express to AGS. Yes, as we have seen that we have passed data of title and message to our EJS file. Now using JavaScript logic in EJS. So EJS allows JavaScript code like loops and conditional directly in your templates, making it easy to display, list and handle condition dynamically. So it means that now we are going to create another EJS file of item name items. So we will create items.ejs file, which will just show the outputs and just show the uh, items in our web page. So just copy and paste it in our VS Code where we was rendering our index.exs file. Just paste it here and now going to create another file inside our views folder. Just create whatever it was written here. Let me see. It was items. So just create inside views items.ejs. Now just copy paste the code of item.ejs. So this is the code for item.ejs. It is using loop. Yes, it is using for each loop. It will, as I have told you, that these tags are used to evaluate logical statements. So for this, for each loop, we have uses these tag of EJS. So it will just go on every items of our item section index wise and print those in our web page. Just copy paste it in our item.ejs file. Just paste it, and we will now try to execute it from index.js. As we are using node1, it automatically have saved the changes and automatically refreshed our web page. So now we can go to this. And if we'll, what was the route for that items? So just we will use items and it will, I think, give the output of our EJS file. Let me see. Yes. As you can see, the data which we passed in our index.js file, it it send it to the items.ejs file, which is inside our views directory, and it is accessing that data to show on our web page using the for each loop. It is the beauty of EJS templating. So you can execute this. And just take your time and execute it, and let me know when it's done. You have to just create items.ejs file inside our views directory. All the templating files will be inside our views because we have just use our uh, let me open yes, as we have used our view engine. We have set our view engine for EJS and set our views folder for that view engine. So it will use that. So we have put in every our EJS file inside our views folder. So let me know when it's done, everyone. Just take your time and execute this. Let me know when it's done. Have you executed the codes?
Yes, Ritesh, it is done.
Okay.
Am I audible?
One. Yes, yes, yes. You are audible.
Yes, it's done, Ritesh.
Okay. Vansh, Vishal.
Ritesh, how much we have covered here?
Sir, we have covered templating EJS. Let me show you. Sir, we are here at the. Sir, we are here using JavaScript logic in EJS. Just
Okay.
inside templating,
Mm,
Express.js templating.
okay, fine. So I
Yes,
think
sir.
from here, topic we have covered entire things we have covered, or something is left.
Sir, in this, including partials is remaining, and this setting up app.js, like
Hmm.
yes, sir.
Fine.
It's
So
similar to, yes, sir.
okay, fine. Then from here from tomorrow we will start from here only. So for now
Okay, sir.
we are good. We can wrap up the call.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you
Sir.
all. Hope you all are
Okay, sir.
learning. If anyone has any doubt, anything,
No, sir.
No,
no.
sir.
Great. Great. I hope you all are enjoying also working here and
Yes, sir.
Yes,
learning.
sir.
Great. So fine. And I am assuming that everyone is doing this parallelly. And if anyone is not able to do this parallelly, whenever you get a time at your home, try to do it and execute all the codes at home also. Okay. So it will so that
Okay, sir.
all will at the same page, and will uh, at the in the final project we are able to complete it as early as possible. Okay, so thank you all. We'll connect tomorrow at 10 a.m. is okay now. You people are not coming at time, or shall we have
Yes,
to
sir.
increase the time? I think it is okay, because otherwise what would happen in second half, the time will increase, so I don't want that. Fine, so I think 10 a.m. will be fine for all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, then we are good now. We can wrap up this call. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank
thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you.